Hello, welcome back to Aaron's 1025-hour adventures. We have a hot, muggy day today, but we're going to show you my Bxpanded cart, and I'm going to show you hooking up my backhoe to my tractor. So there's my cart. Some people are making their own carts. I liked this one. I bought pre-made. I ordered it before I got my tractor. There's a little section right here that the bucket nestles into. It's got swivel wheels on the back side. The front wheels are straight. There's a little triangle spot there that helps keep the backhoe locked into place. I have the 260B, so I have the built-on leg locks, so I don't have to worry about those drifting down. On here I also have the brand new Mud's Custom handle, which works great for maneuvering this around. So what I'm going to do is reposition the cameras up near the tractor, and we'll see how many attempts it takes me to get this plugged in, hooked up I should say, because it's one of those hot days and things might just not go quite as planned. Let me get my little camera going here. I'm trying these couple videos here lately, shooting with my phone and my GoPro. So I stick my pins back in here to store them. And just pull up on the little rod, slide them out. And then you want to kind of line up these brackets with their matching counterparts down there. And you have these two little wing tabs that kind of help guide you into position. Angle this down a little further. Okay, so I have that roughly in position. What I'm going to do now is disconnect my rear connections. See if I can get them connected. I haven't used my backhoe for a little while, so sometimes they can be stubborn. I went in once I moved it. So these are your Power Beyond connections. And sometimes they can look like they're snapped in, but they aren't quite snapped. And you'll have issues. This one's being a little stubborn. I figured it would be, since it's a hot, humid day, why wouldn't it give me a little problems? Come on. Normally don't have this much problem, but then I'm normally not filming it either. Let me grab a rag. And the top one didn't quite go together either. Must have some pressure built up inside. Alright. Let me grab a hammer. Well, sometimes videos, things just don't go as planned. So I'll put a rag over this. And just tap the hand a little bit to release the pressure. See if that helps. Oh yeah, that one went right together. There, they went together just fine that time. So if you're struggling with them, make sure you get the pressure released, and then they'll go right together. So we're going to start the tractor. Hopefully these headphones will work good inside my diesel. Will cancel the noise of the tractor. Put neutral. That's all there is to that. So my biggest struggle was trying to connect it without releasing the pressure. Maybe I'll put my hands down, raise them up a little bit, and my cart slides right out. And there's my cart with it off. Some days this thing goes on and off smoothly for me. Other days I'm just a klutz. What can I say? So that is the Bxpanded cart, and that is installing it on the tractor.